Hello my dear students, today I am going to teach you remaining part of the third chapter from gathering to growing food. Let us study towards a settled life. Archaeologists have found some type of huts or houses in different parts of the country. In Burza home, it is a present day in Kashmir. Archaeologists have found a wooden shape of underground pit. In underground, they have made one house with steps. This is called as a pit house. This was a good thing and common thing also in Burza home. Burza home is a cold area. In that season, people have to protect themselves from the cold weather. In case of bad season, they cannot go inside. They have created such a pit houses. Archaeologists also found some cooking vessels both inside and outside of the huts. It shows that if the weather condition is good, people will prepare the food in outside. If the weather condition is not good, people will prepare the food in inside only. So depending on the weather, people could cook food either indoors or either outside of the house. Let us study about stone tools. How Paleolithic and Neolithic period were different. Especially we are talking about stone things. In Neolithic period and in Paleolithic period, stones were made in different style. In Paleolithic era, stones were quite rough, but in Neolithic era, the stones were really polished. Comparing to Neolithic tools, these tools were really polished, also have a sharp cutting edges, and some mortars and pestle tools used for grinding grind, and other tools can be used for the purpose of plant produce. Mortars and pestles are used for grinding grind even today also. Archaeologists have found some of the earthen pots had also been in several parts of the country. Some earthen pots were decorated and some of the earthen pots were used for storing things. People started using earthen pots for the purpose of cooking food, especially grains like rice, wheat and lentils that now became an important part of the diets. People also started weaving cloth using different kinds of materials, for example cotton, that could now be grown. But some of the men and women still continue to hunt and gather food, and elsewhere people adopted farming and herding slowly. Over several thousand years, in some cases, people try to combine these activities, doing different things during different seasons.